Hi there, my name is Priya and I'm from Bihar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, if you're watching this video, I already know that you want to speak English, but you feel somewhere confused, right? And you watch English videos, right? You learn words, even you know grammar rules, but when it's time to speak English, your mind goes blank. And the most common request I get in my previous video was please give us a proper roadmap. So this video is for you. I mean today's video is for you. Not random tips, not motivation only, but a step-by-step roadmap that you can actually follow. Yes. And if you follow this roadmap, I promise you one thing, you will start speaking English slowly but confidently. Yeah. So without wasting time, you know what? Let's jump into the video. Step one is fix your mindset first. Before vocabulary, before grammar, before speaking, we need to fix one big problem. And that big problem is fear. Most beginners think that I will start speaking English after I become perfect. Even I used to feel like that. Anyways, it's a beginner thing. Okay. Anyways, stop it. Okay. And we already know that day will never come, right? English is not something that you learn first and speak later. No. It is something that you learn it by speaking terrible at first, by speaking badly at first. You know what I mean? So rule number one of this roadmap is you are allowed to make mistakes. You know what I mean? Your English does not have to sound classy. It has to be sound clear. Okay. And say this to yourself daily on a daily basis. Say this to yourself like I'm a learner and I'm allowed to make mistakes. If I'm making mistake, it means I'm learning, right? And once your mindset is fixed, learning becomes easier. Right, honey? You got this. Step 2 is start with sound, not grammar. Most beginners make this mistake. They start with English by grammar books. Biggest mistake. I'm telling you, biggest mistake. Okay, tell me one thing. When a baby learns a language, do they learn grammar first? Obviously not. They listen, they copy sounds, right? So, your second step is listening and pronunciation. Yeah. So what you should do daily is watch English videos on a daily basis and listen to slow English podcast. Okay. And third is repeat sentences loudly. Loudly मैं बार बार बोल रही हूँ ओपन योर माउथ मुंह से आवाज नहीं निकलेगा तो सीखोगे कैसे ओपन योर माउथ एंड वन मोर थिंग डोंट वरी अबाउट मीनिंग एवरी टाइम एवरी सिंगल टाइम कि इस लाइन का मीनिंग क्या होता है नो सी your brain needs to get to used to English sounds, right? Okay, are you getting this? My honey. So please open your mouth, listen to English videos, watch English videos, and you have to do this for 20 to 30 minutes on a daily basis. And you can do shadowing practice. Actually, this is also called shadowing practice. You just have to copy the English speakers and native speakers you can also copy, or Indian speakers. Yeah. And I copy Priyanka Chopra. Yeah, I do shadowing by watching her videos and their like her speech and all. I copy her. Yeah, I like her, so I copy her. And one more, there's a content creator which I started following her from the, I guess, for the past 2 months, and her name is Rida Tharana. She also have this curly hair, and I get inspired by her, and I thought like why not curl my hair too? So you know I'm in love with her. The way she speaks, the way she presents herself, I am just obsessed with her. And you know, she loves her skin color. I was someone that I used to hate my skin color, right? Okay, I'm a brown. I won't look good. That was my, I don't know. Yeah, you can call me stupid. But that I used to think. But now I am just obsessed with my skin color. Look at this. Wow. Okay, anyways, let's move to the like step 3. Okay. Step 3 is learn survival English words. And what does it mean? Listen to me. You don't need advanced words in the beginning. You just need useful words. And this is called survival English. Okay, I know you don't get it. Focus on daily verbs. Go, take, make, get, and these type of verbs that you can use daily on daily basis. Okay, and you need to focus on daily sentences. Like, I don't understand. Can you repeat? I'm not sure. Let me think about it. Just like these type of sentences. Okay, and why I'm telling you to learn sentences? Because we don't speak words, right? We don't speak words. We speak sentences, right? Exactly. We speak sentences, not words. And that is what I'm telling you guys. Please stop learning single words. Start learning daily sentences. Okay, and this is going to work. I'm telling you, this will change your life. Not your life, but your English. Okay, so yeah, that was it. Step 4 is speak from day one. And this step is non-negotiable. Non-negotiable means there's no if and but. आपको ये step करना ही होगा. Yeah. So you must speak English from day one. And how to practice speaking? I'm telling you, my dear, my honey, I'm telling you. Just talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. Yeah, okay. Talk to yourself in front of the mirror. Record your voice notes. That's it. For example, I'm watching this video right now. And after watching this video, I will go to sleep. I'm feeling tired today. I'm going to class. I'm making tea. Like these type of thing. Okay. You just have to describe like what you're doing. Yeah, you have to speak even if it's broken. If you don't know any word, just search it on Google. How to say this? Bro, we have like AI, we have Google, we have YouTube. We can learn from that. और पहले जिनके पास कुछ नहीं भी होता था वो कैसे बोल लेते थे? And today we have everything and still we are not learning. Why? Not we. You guys are not learning. Maybe sometimes even I feel like this, but yeah, but I use social media as my, learning platform. Yeah, and you should do this too. Step 5 is control grammar only. Now, yes, grammar is important. Grammar is important a little bit, but not that much. And control grammar only. You just have to focus on 3 tenses, which is present tense, past tense, and future tense. For example, for present tense, you just have to say like, I go to work. And for the past tense, I went to work. For the future tense, you just have to say that I will go to work, right? If you focus on these 3 only, you can handle mostly daily conversation. Yeah, you can handle most daily conversation. And you don't need to know that 12 all tenses. Don't focus on those. Like, you can learn, but don't focus on all 12 tenses if you're a beginner. You will feel stressed or and all. You will feel tired and all. So please focus on these 3 only and you're good to go. Step 6 is think in English. Yeah, most beginners face this problem. You guys, my my nose is itching too much, like too much. Yeah, so where I was. Most beginners face this problem, which is they translate from Hindi or from regional language to English, and this is the biggest problem. This is the biggest issue, I would say. Yes, stop translating from Hindi to English. This will break your flow. Like if you want to say something, just ask yourself, what do you want to say, and say it in English, like in simple English. Whatever you like, जितने भी words आते हैं आपको, whatever you words know, just think and speak in simple English. Simple English spoken confidently is better than, uh, advanced English spoken silently. You know what I mean? आपको सिंपल इंग्लिश में सोचना पड़ेगा, एडवांस में शुरू में मत सोचिए, बिकॉज दैट्स नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क. जस्ट think in English. And for thinking in English, you just have to surround yourself from English content. Watch English videos as much as possible. I'm telling you. Yeah. Step 7 is daily practice routine. Okay, let me give you a simple English routine that you can follow. 20 minutes for listening. Spend 20 minutes daily for listening something in English. Okay, it could be an English video, or a simple English video, or anything. Just focus on listening. Okay, and 15 minutes for speaking. Speaking, you can just talk to yourself, speak in front of the mirror. And 10 minutes for sentence practice, like whatever you are watching, just and if you find a sentence helpful, just say it out loud. And for the last 5 minutes you have to revision. Okay, total I guess 50 minutes. Yeah, 50 minutes. But please, I'm begging you, please practice on daily basis. Consistency is more important than duration. You know what I mean, honey? So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, please do let me know. And I'm feeling so grateful, like you guys are showing me love. Like, I know I deserve this. Yes, I deserve this. You know why I'm telling this to me? Because universe is listening me. So I'm telling me this to myself, that I deserve this, and universe will give me more. Yeah, I don't know if you guys believe on manifestation or not, but I do. I I was so, like, I used to hate those people who think like, okay, 11 हो गए, अब कोई विश मांग लेती हूँ. मेरे को लगता भाई, why this girl is behaving like childish, or a, forget it. But now whenever I see 11 on my screen, I just make a wish. Not make a wish, I just be grateful for whatever I have, everything in my life. I just thank you so much for this, thank you so much for that, thank you for giving me this, and thank you so much for that. Like, yeah, I do this. You can call me crazy, but I don't mind. Yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. And speaking English is very easy. Oh gosh, why my nose is itching so much? Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.